I think I've corrupted my husband with bags, and the girls are all excited too. So we've been waiting for this one to come. Came today. Ooh, what does it come? It comes in a... Is it come in a dust bag, or is it just in the plastic
it's just
sleeve?
Plastic sleeve.
Plastic sleeve. So say a little bit about the company, Sean. What's this?
Well, so WATERFIELD is a company out of San Francisco. They custom make their bags. They also make them to specification, so that if you want the inside pocket resized for specific stuff, they'll do it. They're also very receptive for customer service. In fact, right after I ordered the bag, they actually emailed me and asked how I found out about them and said, hey, if you have any problems or anything, you know, please let us know. The other thing about the bag is the leather on the front, the leather on the handle, and the leather on the back. It's cut from the same piece of leather, so you don't have 3 different grains on your bag.
Oh, that's cool. So were you very excited to get this?
Yeah. So if you look on the inside, it's one big thick piece of leather, so it's not faux leather. It's not a tiny little bitty thin piece of cheap leather. It's made to scratch and wear a little bit, so you see it already has a couple little marks, but it's so the other thing about these bags, and the website's sfbags.com. So there's no big factory. They make them by hand as you order them, so they make them in batches.
Okay.
But they're all made by hand.
But this was shipped within about 2 days, wasn't it?
This was shipped the day after. So I ordered it on a Saturday evening here.
Mm-hmm.
And Monday, so they acknowledged the order. Then on Monday, they made the bag and had it shipped out by 5 p.m. that night.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so it opens. Show us how it opens, honey. So it's got this special clasp, right?
Yeah, so it's got a clasp that goes like that, and then like that, and it won't. So it's an old ammo clip from World War II.
Okay, and then you just pull the.
So, but if you pull up, it comes right off. But somebody looking to get at your bag, it won't. Yeah. It won't open, but it's just a really easy.
Cool, and then it's. Oh, I see. There's the key fob thing right there.
So it has a key fob thing. If you notice, the material is gold to stand out against
the bag.
The bag. And then the unique thing about this bag is this one zips like that to open up.
Mm-hmm.
iPad pocket. And then this is a laptop pocket that I asked them to size specifically for
you did? That's
my
cool.
laptop, yeah.
Okay,
so
and then inside. Yeah.
So inside it's pretty big. And then it's got, here, turn around this way. Then it's got a pocket here, and it's Velcro, so you can expand it out.
I think that's where you put your bottle and stuff, right?
Or you can have, well, no, so the way that they have it in all the ads is you put like I mean, you can see these are pretty deep.
Yeah.
So you can put like your chargers and wallets, passports, or actually kind of like chargers and stuff up here. Mm. And then they say the water bottle fit along the side here.
Yes, it is. It's quite roomy, actually.
There's
some outside pockets
too.
So
there's outside pockets. These are quick access pockets. So the way that the bag is, and I wouldn't necessarily keep like a passport in here if I'm traveling, because I don't like to keep things
right
where people can get them. But like plane tickets. Don't care if somebody gets a plane ticket.
Yeah.
But the way the bag is designed, it's when it's zipped up and it's on your back, and just
swing it around
grab your
That's cool because they're on the side like that, so it makes it easy to get to, right?
Zip it back up. So the backpack straps are padded, and they've also got a neoprene cushion on the inside, and this material right here wicks sweat away from your back.
That's good. Okay, so how tall are you, Sean? You're about 5'10"?
5'10".
You like your backpack's like way up high.
It's because you're supposed to wear it up high. You're not supposed to wear it off your butt.
Okay, turn around so we can see the actual, and then turn around to the back. It's very nice. There are different color combinations you can get with the leather, and And so it's leather, and then what's the other material?
So the material I got is ballistic nylon, which kind of has, seeing that's where it wants to drop.
Yeah, cool.
But the ballistic nylon is, it's a more durable, more professional looking material.
Okay.
Otherwise, they have a wax canvas which will wear much like the leather will. And the wax canvas, like back in World War II or still in the military today, it's what's used for duffel bags. And it's very, very, very durable, but it wears, and when it wears, it looks worn. It doesn't look bad, but it's not something I would carry.
I think I've seen your bags used for the Navy, right? Is that what those are made out of? Those like duffel bag, those?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know
that canvas, but it's not waxed as heavily as like these would be. But so I got this to use for work, but I also got it to use because I'm about to go live in the desert for 13 months.
Are you excited? Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. I'm gonna go put some stuff in it.
Yeah.